Hello and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now I've just found my new favourite way of cooking chicken breast. It is quick, it is simple and it's extremely tasty, so let's get on and cook it. So first of all we need to make a sauce, I guess you'd call it, and I'm going to use the juice of 2 lemons, freshly squeezed. And it's best if you use fresh lemons as well. Please don't buy that stuff you buy in plastic containers. That's not lemon, it's absolute crap. This is the best. And into the lemon juice I'm going to add 120 millilitres of extra virgin olive oil. Two sprigs of fresh rosemary, just the needles. This is going to give this sauce such a flavour. The lemon juice and the rosemary, they are a marriage made in heaven as far as I'm concerned. And of course, a good pinch of both salt and pepper. Give it a good mix and then place it to one side. Then we're going to get 2 chicken breasts. Now these breasts were enormous, they were really fat at one end and thin at the other, so I'm just going to bash them a little bit to equalise the thickness out. I'm not fattening them, I'm just making them more equal in thickness from the front to the rear, so they cook more evenly. Then in a frying pan on a, I don't know, low to medium or medium heat, I'm going to put a ladle full of our sauce we just made. Bearing in mind there's lots of olive oil in it, so it's good to fry the chicken breasts in that rather than just plain olive oil, as we have more flavour. Now we're going to cook these breasts on both sides for around 8 to 10 minutes each side, depending on the thickness of your chicken breast. I'm going to dump a little clove of garlic in there just to give it a little extra flavour. As after about, I think mine were about 8 or 9 minutes, I flip them over and just continue to cook on the other side. And then part way through I'll baste the breasts with some of the sauce and the juices that have mixed together by now. Man, they look good, and the smell, you can smell the rosemary, the lemon, and it's just fantastic. Right, put the breasts to one side when they're cooked. And then we're going to dump in the rest of the sauce. And all we're going to do is heat it up, reduce it slightly, and I'm also going to put 25 grams of butter into the sauce to make it a bit richer and a bit thicker. You can of course omit the butter if you want the sauce to be more healthy, but I prefer it with the butter. And that's it, basically done. Just time to serve it up and give it a taste. That chicken is perfectly cooked. Ooh, come back. Not too dry. I pierced the thick end of the breast with a point of a knife and the juices came out clear and no blood, so I knew it was well cooked. Put it on a serving plate and all that's left to do is to pour over the sauce. That wonderful, wonderful, tasty sauce. This is wonderful. Serve it with boiled potatoes or rice. I actually served mine with some couscous. It's up to you. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So thanks for watching, take care, peace, love, and I'll see you soon.